What's going on, guys? It's your boy T to the M to the IDD, and I'm back with another YouTube video. This time, I'm on location, and I have a new model.
Jamia.
So, if you want to get in contact with Jamia, how can they follow you?
Instagram is at SLIMIDABY.
Okay. So, as always, I'll drop that in the lower left-hand corner. I got my D800. I have my new Easy Lock light. So we are about to get some shots. We are going to see what we get. Now, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, we got the hype man on the side. So if she don't do a good job, then y'all know why Jamia wasn't giving what it needed to give.
I know she gonna give.
She gonna give?
She gonna give.
All right, see, she gonna give. So she got her back. So we gonna get into these shots. And you ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. That shot. Right here, like the one you see that hold yourself, kind of like look down at it, hold yourself. So bring that left arm, and bring this arm down to bottom right there.
Let me look at you.
You can look down. Use this hand, act like you like kind of pulling on your shoulder a little bit. Put your back flat to it. So probably got it right there. Then check that. Turn yourself around, and you can kind of look like this. Your arm out a little bit. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Look down at your shoulder for me. Yeah, look down soft. Yeah, soft. But act like you don't even see me. So you be like this. And it's almost like you're stepping. Just keep walking.
Okay.
And then just keep moving your head like boom, boom, boom. Snap. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to just walk. Walk to the with this arm and cover it and just relax this arm. And then look back at me like this. Like right there. And try to like loosen your grip a little bit so it's not like you like clutching a purse. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you kind of like grab it and hold it. And look, pull it and look down at it. Hold that right there. Dope right there. That's fine right there. Look like kind of at the softbox.